Hi everyone, this is me Adele and today is Friday and medyo malamig-lamig dito sa Oman and today is Friday. Since Friday maraming nag-off talaga, no? So I tried to go to the mall. Kakain sana ako dun sa food court where meron akong nakita na parang something for cold season kasi medyo masakit ang lalamunan ko, medyo masama ang pakiramdam ko. Pero unexpectedly, hindi ko talaga alam na ganun kadami yung mga kapwa nating Filipino dyan sa Avenue. So, ito talaga yung dahilan why I don't go to the mall and I don't go day off on Friday. Kasi ayoko nakikisabay sa marami nating kababayan. So, even here, dito tayo sa Chowking and Jollibee. So, I'll have my soup here. Kasi napakarami talaga. Ito lang yung kasi ito yung dito sa Oman. Ito yung time na nag-off yung mga kapwa nating Filipino officers, Filipino workers here. So ako naman pwede naman lumabas anytime since I drive. So alam ko na that I should yani complete or I should hold on sa idea ko na I don't go on Friday. Kasi yung mga iba kasi talagang Friday lang yung time nila. So ayaw na nating makikisabay sa kanila, no? Haba pa yung pila. So lumipat ako dito sa Chowking na lang. I'll have my soup and my meal and we'll go back home. So that's it for today.